Hello, let's learn about Boolean operators. Our databases use the following three words to help you get a better, more focused search result. And, or, not. Each of these words do something different during your search and give you different search results, so let's break them down. And will narrow your search. Using and asks the database to search all the words or phrases to be included in your results. If you want to search for more than one idea or more than one phrase, use and to make that happen. For example, if you want to search for both cats and dogs, you'll get that result with and. Or broadens your search. Using or will link similar ideas or phrases together. Or lets you include synonyms or similar words into your search for a better result. For example, if you want to search for cats, but what if an article calls them kittens? That information on kittens can still be useful. So use or to include the similar word, in this case kittens, and improve your search results. Not excludes a word or phrase that you don't want in your search results. Not will narrow the search and tell the database to ignore the concepts that might be implied by your search terms. For example, if you want only to search for cats but not dogs, or cats but not kittens, using not will make that happen. Now that you've learned a little about the Boolean operators, you can use them next time you search our databases. And as always, if you need help with something, please reach out. We're happy to help.